Hi guys, good afternoon. So, kung naaalala nyo si Miss Ruth, na-receive natin last December yung soft copy ng working permit niya. And yesterday, or before yesterday, sorry, we received the hard copy of her work permit in Hungary with, with stamp and sign. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dyan na meron siyang signature mismo. And Miss Ruth, can you share your experience again in Trinity?
Okay, una-una sa lahat, first of all, I will thanks really to God. Super excited.
Yeah, your next step is visa appointment.
So, waiting na lang ng next, waiting for the visa. So, ang naging experience ko ay napakadali. At maraming salamat sa Trinity Consultancy at kay Miss Rachel na gumabay at nagsuporta. And finally, malapit na akong umalis. Guys, message nyo na lang ako ulit sa mga tanong ninyo na ang Trinity Consultancy is the best in UAE. And not only in UAE, in all Gulf country. Thank you.
Thank you.